Alright, I haven't flown in a while since the snowpocalypse in Texas, so let's get this started. Let's get it. Alright, been a while, so gonna be a little rusty. There's a new spot too, so I'm gonna be definitely a little bit rusty. Oi! Oi, there we go. Alright, trying some new things.
Someone,
what?
It's not like, it's not near the gazebo, it's like branching into the gazebo. So
There's some scraggle there.
Don't go there.
Where?
Oh my god, don't. No, don't
Oh, I
cross
see him,
it.
I see him, I see him.
Yeah.
Sorry, guy. Didn't mean to disturb your peaceful walk. Ooh. Prop wash. Lots of scraggle. Oh, low battery, 14.4. Already, I'm telling you, I get like some seriously low battery. It's like annoying how low my battery can get. Alright. I like this new spot, bro.
Yeah.
This spot's pretty sick. I almost hit a lot of things. I'm not what you would call good at flying. What? I'm better than you.
Well, you're not better than me.
Could you have pulled like a 360? No, I'm just kidding. You could probably you can do a 360. Let the record show my brother's actually not bad at flying. He's pretty good.
That's what I thought.
Yeah, that's right. I didn't say you're great, but.
Bruh.
Oh, almost hit that tree. Alright, I don't really know what to do here. There's so much scraggle. That's the problem with the fall weather. Is that us? Is that right in front of us? I'm gonna fly backwards.
That's pretty cool. Oh, there's someone going.
Yeah, I see him. It's such a, like, people really like this trail. I'm at 14.5. That's why I'm really not pushing it to get a little bit of extra flight time. Well, actually, I am pushing it to try and get a little bit extra flight time, but 14.5, 14.4, and it's probably over. And what's up? It's cold. Game over. Flipped upside down.